Remember that feeling when your favorite clothes got damaged after washing? LG Smart Motion delivers agitating motion for a powerful wash, rotating motion to prevent twisting and tangling, and swing motion for a delicate touch. With 3 distinct motions, you can stop worrying about fabric damage and get ready for laundry that's cleaner than ever. Trust LG Smart Motion to cleanly wash your clothes with less damage. Have you ever washed something twice because of a stubborn stain that refused to come out, or detergent residue? LG's TurboDrum creates a powerful water current by turning not only the pulsator, but rotating drum as well, to wash your clothes even stronger and cleaner. Trust LG TurboDrum with your clothing, and make sure your clothes come out clean the first time.